Hi, welcome back to the PhotoshopTrainingChannel.com. I'm Jesus Ramirez. In this 90-second Photoshop tip, I'm going to show you a powerful zoom in trick so that you can work faster when editing in Photoshop. We're going to work with this image here, and sometimes you may need to work on small details of a photo, so I'm going to click on the zoom tool. And if I were to zoom in and work on details of this photo, I may need to then move to a different location of the photo. One of the options that you have is holding the spacebar and clicking and dragging to a new location. You can also open the navigator window and click and drag this red square to a different area of the photo and work with detail there. However, there is a very powerful trick in Photoshop that not a lot of people use. If you hold down the H key on the keyboard and click, that zooms out and you can see the square, basically the same square that's inside of the navigator window, and you can drag it to a new position and release, and Photoshop will zoom in into that area. Once again, you hold H on the keyboard and click, and Photoshop will show you a square, which is where the canvas will fill into, and then you can drag it into a different area and release to zoom back in. If you enjoyed this trick, let me know by clicking on that like button now. And by the way, if you want to learn another powerful workflow technique, then check out my previous 90-second Photoshop tip where I showed you how to open up the same document in 2 windows. That allows you to work on details and the overall image at the same time. I'll place a link to that video and all my 90-second Photoshop tips right below in the description. Let me know down in the comments below if you knew this trick already or if it was new to you. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe and notification buttons. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you again in the next tutorial.